Hi once again, it's Keva from Atkendo DATL. DATL stands for Data Analytic Tools for Learning. At DATL, we share resources on how to use data analytic tools like Excel, SQL, Python, or R to perform data analysis process like read, clean, analyze, or visualize data. In today's video, I will show you how to read, that is to load or import data in Python in just under 5 minutes. So let's dive in. In this tutorial, we'll be using the Jupyter Notebook to read data into Python. There are two simple steps that you can use to load your data into Python. First, you import Pandas, and then next you type in the read command, that is the full chunk of codes to read or fetch the data from your local drive into Python. So first of all, what is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library. It can be used to help with data import, data wrangling, or data manipulations. Once you install Pandas, you can read data, that is, you can load them. You can also save data with the .csv or .excel command. You can also sort or filter or even transform columns in your dataset. You can also handle missing values with the drop any or with the fill any command. So here are the two basic steps that you can use to read your data into Python. First, the import pandas, and then next you input the read command. For import pandas, just import pandas as PD, that is alias. Alias pandas as PD, so that whenever you want to type pandas, you can just type PD. For the read command, the df here means the dataset name, the pd.read.csv is the file type that you are loading. Then you type the location of the file in your local drive, then the file name exactly as saved in your local drive, then the file extension .csv or .excel. So let's do a practical demo of this. So loading data, we just import pandas as pd. So we have imported pandas. So next you type the read command, that is, we give the dataset a name. Here we'll call it test1. Test1 is equals to, then the pandas read is a csv file, csv. Then the file location. The file location is in the C drive. Uses into Dropbox. That's the file location. Then you name the file. You want to load this file into Pandas, that is the mismanaged plastic waste. So just type the file name as saved on your local drive, mismanaged plastic waste. After the file name, then the file extension .csv is a CSV file. So this is how simple it is. So the dataset has been loaded. So once you load a file, you can use very few commands to see the dataset. Among them are the head command, that is test1.head. This will show the first 5 rows of your dataset. The first 5 rows of your dataset. So the dataset that you just loaded, here it is. It will show the first 5 rows, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also use the tail command, which is like test. Okay, it will show the last 5 rows of your dataset. So here is the last 5 rows of your dataset. The whole dataset is at the last 5 rows. With the tail command, it will show the last 5 rows. With the head command, it will show the first 5 rows. You can also use another command called the info command, test1.info. This will give you an overview of the whole dataset. You will get to know your dataset in real time. So you'll see the dataset, you'll see the number of columns that are in the data set. There are only 5 columns, and then you will see the data types of each column. Like the quantity column here, the first column, it is an object, that is text. The second column, they are integers, and then we also have full. So the test the dot info will give you an overview of the dataset. So these are just a few commands that you can use to view your dataset that you just loaded. Still, we can load another dataset. That is the new to Excel dataset from our local drive. So we can just follow the same procedures. So that instead of typing the whole chunk of code, I will just copy this and then just paste it here. So the dataset name will be test2. This one will be test2, and then the name of the file is what I'm going to change. It's going to be stuff new to Excel is new to Excel. And this is fine. This is the name of the dataset. So that is it. The name of the dataset, Pandas read location, and then the file name, then the extension. So to have a look of the dataset that you just loaded, you can say test2.head, text sensitive, test2.head. This will show the first 5 rows of the dataset that you just loaded, as you can see. And then you can to see the last 5 rows, you can say test2.head. This will show the last 5 rows of the dataset that you just created. Okay, to have an basic information of the whole dataset, you can just type test2.info. This will give you an overview of the whole dataset that you just loaded. The class, the number of columns. This other dataset have 7 columns. Among the columns we have, most of them are objects, others are integers, and then only one float. So this is how simple it is to load a dataset. Now you are a pro in reading data. That is to load or import data into Python. So that's the end. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe to our channel for more videos from Atkindo DATL. Thank you and bye.